Hey folks, got an Outback here. This is a 2013 model. If you have a little bulb out on the tailgate, okay, the access to it is right underneath, right here. Take this little panel off, and there's the bulb. This is the reverse bulb. This is the marker bulb, or the parking bulb. All right, little lefty loosey. Take it out, and this just unplugs and plugs back in. All right, there it is. This is the cover, and it says right on it. That's the cover. This is the bulb with the 168. This is the burnt out bulb. All right, so yeah, not too bad. Take it out from inside. All right, this just goes in, line it up, lock it in place, put the cover back on, and you're good to go. All right, let's double check to make sure it works. All right, there it is. It's working. All right, I'm gonna put that in there and put the cover on, and we're done. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, folks.